Welcome to a video lecture series on subject serving. Today we will learn the topic on curve, that is numerical problems on the curve. So in previous lecture we see the linear methods of the curves, angular methods of the curves. In case of the linear methods we see the radial methods, perpendicular offset, offset from the chord produce, successive bisection of the arc. Okay, and in case of the angular methods we see the Rankine methods of the curve. It is also called as deflection angles methods. So problems is related to the simple circular curve. It is depends on the notation. So first we see the first problems. Circular curve has a 300-meter radius and 60-degree deflection angle. Calculate the length of the curve, tangent length, length of the long chord, mid ordinates and apex. Let us see. We have to draw one figures. Okay, so okay, okay. Let's our radius of the curve is given 300 meter and deflection angle is, so here if I draw a curve of radius 300 meters. Okay, so this is r. Okay, so this is let a point, this is t1, this is deflection angles 60-degree. Okay, this is point of intersection, that is b point, the a to, then this is the t2. So this is the length of long chord, length of the curve is t1. Okay, if I draw one length, so length is t1 e t2. So length of the curve is, length of the curve is t1 e t2. If I make the t1 e t2, this is the length of the curve, that is denoted by r, that is r phi by 180, pi by 180. So by using this equation, r phi pi by 180. So just put the radius of the curve, phi is deflection angle, that is 60, into pi is 3.14 and divided by 180. So you have to get the answer is 314.16. Then tangent length is, so tangent length is, what is tangent length? bt1. Okay, this is the first tangent and bt2 is second tangent. So tangent length is calculated r tan phi by 2. Okay, so 300 tan 60 by 2, so you have to get 173.21. Okay, so we have to calculate the length of the chord, then tangent length, then the length of the long chord. Length of the long chord is t1. If I make this is d point, t1 d t2, this is called as length of the long chord. So length of the long chord is 2r sine phi by 2. Okay, so just put the value of r, it is 300 sine 60 by 2, that is a phi, angle of deflection is 60 here. Then you have to get the answer is 300 meters. Then mid ordinate. So mid ordinate, you can see mid ordinate. So mid ordinate is nothing but a distance de. Okay, mid distance d, this distance is called as mid ordinate distance de. So what is the formula for mid ordinate? So mid ordinate is r1 minus cos phi by 2. So just put the value of radius 300, 1 minus cos 60 by 2, that is 40.19. So d distance is, it is mid ordinate. Then apex distance is b, this distance is b to e distance is apex. The formula is r in bracket sec phi by 2 minus 1. So 300 into sec 60 by 2 minus 1, you have to get the distance is 46.41. So this is the upper distance. So in these problems we have to calculate the length of the curve is t182 r sine r phi, pi by 180, tangent length bt1, length of the long chord t1 dt2, mid ordinate is d, and apex distance. So this is a simple problems. Okay, on simple circular curve. Then we see the next problems. Okay, so let us see second problem. Two tangents intersect at a chainage of 1190 meters, the deflection angles being 36 degree. Calculate all the data necessary for the setting of the simple circular curve with radius is 300 meters by deflection angle methods, and the peg interval is given, it is the 30 meters. So It is the ranking methods of deflection angles. Here the value is given two tangent intersect the intersection point. As we know that intersection, if I draw a curve, okay, so here angle of intersection is given, okay, then T1 first change point is what, 1190, that this is A, this is T2, and this is C point. This is a point of intersection. Two tangent intersect, the intersection point is 1190 meter is given. Deflection angle is given 36 degree. Calculate the data for the setting of the simple circle curve having the radius is, so radius is also given 300 meters. Okay, then first you have to calculate the tangent length, that is if I make, so this is T1, for example this is, let this is T1 E T2. So length of the tangent r tan phi by 2, that is the formula r tan phi by 2. Okay, so you remember r tan phi by 2. So 300 tan of 36 divided by 5 is deflection angles, 36 divided by 2, so you have to get the answer is 97.48 meter. Then chainage of T1, so B intersection point is given, you have to find out the BT1 length. So chainage of T1 is 1 1, we know that chainage of T1 is point of intersection minus tangent length. Point of intersection is 1190 minus tangent length is 97.48. So you have to get the chainage of T1 is 1092.52. So this is 1092. So what is the chainage of T2? So chainage of T2 you can see here, chainage of the T2. Okay, chainage of T2 here written, chainage of the T2 is 1012. So first before that we have to require the length of the curve. So length of the curve is, as we know that the formula is r5 pi by 180, 336 into pi by 180, that is value is 188 point. So this is the length of the curve we have to find out. So chainage of T2 is first tangent point plus length of the curve, that is 1281. So first is this 101 1092.58, this is a chainage T1, this is chainage T2 is 1281. Okay, so in between how much 30 meters 30 meters chainage are placed, so you have to find out this. So this is the 1092.52 and this is 1281. So how much total curve are set? So if I take, if you see, this is in the here, so in between 1092.58, so if I divided by here is 30, so the value comes is 36 point something. Okay, so total is 36 point, so total 36 chain. Okay, if you remember that 36 chain plus 50 12.52, this value is comes, that is 1092 divided by 30, so value comes is 36 point something. Okay, so uh, if I divided by 10, again I have put 1092.52, so you have to get the divided by 30, so you have to get the value is 36.41. So that's why I have written 36 chainage plus 4, remaining is, so value 36 divided multiply by 30, you have to get the 1080 and the 1 to 52, this is the value. So chainage of the C is 17.18. Okay, then just we have to take the that another is C2, another all the value C2 C3 C4 and C5 is 30 meters, and the last chainage is 188 point minus 17.18. So you have to put the value in this value, C1 square upon 2r, then C2 uh, C2 into C2 plus C1 divided by 2r, and all the chainage is 30 and the last chainage is that is a 17.1848. So we have to calculate the value, just we have to put the value in the equation. Okay, so you have to understand, so in this way you have to calculate the all this value. Thank you for the watching this video.